In 2018, Logan Paul was canceled. His career, brand, and reputation collapsed overnight.
Oh no!
But just a few years later, he co-founded Prime Hydration, a viral brand that outsold Gatorade in some stores. So how did Logan Paul go from internet exile to empire builder? Today, we'll break down how Logan Paul rebuilt his personal brand, partnered with his former rival, and hacked audience psychology to turn backlash into business dominance. This wasn't luck. It was calculated. This is the Prime Redemption Playbook. Before the scandals, Logan Paul was already a YouTube juggernaut. From Vine to daily vlogs, he built a massive following. The Lo Gang. But in January 2018, everything changed. The Japan forest video, instant backlash, demonetization, sponsors pulled out.
No, God!
Media painted him as the symbol of toxic influencer culture.
The question now, will his supporters desert him over this controversial post? He hopes not.
But Logan didn't disappear. He stepped back, he observed, and then he began to quietly rebuild. His comeback didn't start with Prime. It started in the boxing ring. Logan turned controversy into currency. He fought, he trained, he gave the world a new storyline. The reckless YouTuber becoming a disciplined fighter. But the real masterstroke? Partnering with KSI, his once bitter rival, to co-launch PRIME Hydration. Two enemies, one brand, that narrative alone, viral fuel. But behind it was strategy. Two massive audiences. A product tied to sports and status. And an influencer-fueled marketing machine. Prime launched in January 2022. Within weeks, it was sold out. Teens resold bottles for 10 times retail. TikToks went viral. Parents couldn't find it in stores. By year's end, over $250 million in sales. Prime wasn't just a hydration brand, it was a badge of belonging. Sponsorships with Arsenal FC, UFC, YouTubers, streamers. This wasn't luck, this was creator-led marketing at scale. Still, the road wasn't clean. Critics called it hype juice. Some questioned its caffeine content. Then came the Crypto Zoo scandal. Another stain on Logan's name. But Prime kept selling. Why? Because Prime had outgrown Logan. It lived in gyms, on TikTok, in fandoms. It was powered by a tribe, not just a creator. That's the genius. He built something bigger than himself. Here's what you can learn. 1. Redemption is a brand strategy. Own your narrative. Reframe it. 2. Collaboration beats ego. Partnering with KS. I created something massive. 3. Build beyond your platform. Logan didn't just create content, he created a product people could hold. From canceled to co-founder, Logan Paul didn't bounce back. He engineered one of the smartest creator comebacks ever. This was the Prime Playbook. Subscribe for more case studies like this.